Hello guys, today I will be talking about my experience with this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Come on, take a look at it. This is the top view. The top, the design on it. Got the label. This is the shade bow and arrow, as you can see right there. Sorry about that. Anyways, it also shows you the expiration date, which is 12 months. I'm so sorry about that. There you go. This is 0.22 fluid ounces. Okay. There you go. This is the size of it. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. It does have a very cute look to it. It's very, if you guys are familiar with the brand Kat Von D, very Kat Von D. The roses, you know, the tattoo look, the very dark like colors, black, silver, very neutral at the same time, although it is a colored liquid lipstick. Absolutely love the design of all her makeup products actually. How I know about this liquid lipstick is because of other beauty products. I basically just saw it, you know, she put it on her Instagram, and right off the bat I wanted to try it out, you know. Now she has been out there with her beauty cosmetics since 2008, but I've started using her around, I want to say 2015, I can say, and I've used so many things from her, and once I saw this I knew I had to use it. I mean, I've used her like setting spray, foundation, concealer, palettes, so many things, and I just knew I had to try this out. And you know what, I love it so much. It literally comes in 42 shades, so if you are looking at this right now and saying this is definitely not my shade, girl, there are literally 42 shades. I don't know, it's just such a really nice color. I will be testing this for you guys on my hand, showing you guys a little swatch, showing you guys the finish, how I use it, and it is so easy to use. I mean, you can put this on a brush. It's not like you have to, I mean, you do have to wait for it to dry a bit, but it's not like it comes with, like, you know, not the best brush and you have to work with it. Not at all. It comes with a really good brush. I love the feel of it, like right when you put it on and after it. Now, I know a lot of people think matte. This is matte, and a lot of people believe that matte liquid lipsticks are very just dry looking, make you look like you have chapped lips, like just color, but with chapped lips. Not at all. This one actually, it does have a matte finish to it, but it never feels dry to me. I mean, I've applied this at, like, example 8 a.m. and it has not like even started peeling until like maybe 9 p.m. and that was like a first timer for me, and I absolutely love this. I have gone back and bought other of her liquid lipsticks. You know, this just happens to be my favorite shade, and it is a very popular shade. This is full coverage for sure. Like I mentioned, a lot actually goes a long way. I mean, sorry, a little goes a long way. You can just apply a good amount. You don't have to reapply. I mean, if you do maybe not do it correctly, or you know, you just mess up a little, maybe reapply, but I've never had to apply it more than once, you know, unless of course I'm eating or something like that. But even then, it's not like you eat one thing and then it comes off, you know, maybe just saliva or something like that in the way. And now you can't, this is very variable, like you can carry this with you everywhere literally. If it's, you can take it on a plane, your luggage, your backpack, your purse, any size purse. I'm pretty sure this fits in there. Throw it in your makeup bag, anything you want. Now, I wear this on a daily basis. Let me show you the color. Just look a little lighter. Anyways, I wear this on a daily basis, you know, when I go out. It's not when I stay at home, but when I go to the grocery store and I just, you know, just not feeling myself and not a full face, so I'll just throw this on. And when it is events, I definitely will go to this one just because it is definitely for my skin tone, and I feel like all of her shades, there's at least one for you out there, and some maybe like a few crazy colors, you know, just spontaneous colors, but you'll definitely find at least one, I feel like, that will go with your skin tone and can be your go-to and stuff, especially if you're like me, you just like quick matte finish look. Anyways, I do use this at events. It's not just my daily to go to because I just think it's like ordinary, not at all. I just like love the way it feels on my lips actually. And the top is plastic, as you can hear. And this is glass. I mean, I've dropped this a few times. It hasn't broken. I just believe it's really good material. It's not too fragile, you know. Wouldn't test it, of course, but you know, it happens. Slips out of your purse or your hands, you know, off any counter. But I'll be testing this for you guys right now. Okay, so I just applied two swipes on my arm. There you go. You can see just trying to finish up. You know, I'm going to blow on it a bit. See, right off the bat, it literally goes to a matte without looking crusty or dry or anything like that. Like I said, this is definitely one of my go-tos. I hope this helped you if you were deciding on purchasing it. Sorry about that. And you know, definitely try it. It comes in so many shades. Like I said, it was 42 and they're very creamy yet matte looking, and I just love it so much. Hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching.